Welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a DIY calming bath soak. And what I've done is taken a container. This was a gift and I have used it all and it was quite nice. And so I've cleaned it out and dried it out thoroughly. So we're just going to refill it with something else. And that way we don't have to spend a lot of money to relax in the evening or whenever we need to. This is a bag of Epsom salts. I have already opened it so that I did not have to mess with that on camera. I've got this bag of Epsom salts from the Dollar Tree. This essential oil is from Aromatherapy and it's called Mind Rest. It has 100% pure essential oil blend. It has peppermint, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus. And then this wooden spoon I have left over from, excuse me, from when I used to make all natural bath and body products. So let me grab a drink because my throat's got a frog. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, what I like to do is just take the Epsom salts and pour it directly into the container in which I'm going to use. That way I don't have to worry about measuring and do I have enough salt, do I have too much. So I'm just gonna pour it into the container. I'm gonna pour it up to the top, leaving a little bit of space for stirring. So you can use other salt as well, Himalayan sea salt, Dead Sea salt. This is just Epsom salts. We like to use that a lot. So as you can see, it's not completely full, but it's full enough for a nice container. Okay, and then I'm going to add a few drops. I'm trying to use this up. There's not much left, so the dropping process is going to take a little bit of time. Okay, I've added 12 drops, and I'm going to stir that up. Stir it up and make sure it's like baking almost. Mix it up well, make sure you get the chunks out of the salt, and that all of the oils are infused into the salt all the way to the bottom. And it smells wonderful already. I'm already gonna get relaxed. Gosh, I hope I don't get so relaxed I go to sleep on you guys. So let me smell this. That's wonderful. I think that 12 drops is probably enough. There might have been maybe a drop or two too much, but it'll be wonderful in the bath. And then you can, if you wish, leave the wooden spoon in and use that as your source for dipping and putting it in the bath. And that is it. It's as simple as that. Thank you for joining my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon.